Hi, my amazing family. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing okay. Yes, it's your girl Flawlessly, and I say welcome. Okay, in today's video, I want to talk about this cream. This is Francoise Bedon. Can you say this? This is Francoise Bedon. Yes, and I use it. I just want to give us a sincere review about this. Okay, this Francoise Bedon from France, the one in my heart is the Royal. That is this one, the Royal. Okay. Yes, it's a lightning lotion with multivitamin in there, okay? And it's a natural beauty lotion. It's not a bleaching lotion, okay? It's just a lightening lotion. Actually, it will help bring out your recolor, as in amplify your recolor, not by bleaching, okay? And if you want to enjoy this, you use it with the shower baths, the Francosin, as you use the set, Francosin Bedon shower baths, the oil, the serum. I will try as much as see if I can get the picture and drop it here or here, okay? Get the range, get the shower baths. I'll drop it here or here. Get the serum. I will drop it again here or here, okay? You get it. Add it to this mix and use it, okay? It will not bleach you for your concern. It will blend your skin. And the ingredients in this cream is a little bit, it's good, but this cream is a little bit expensive. That is just the truth, okay? It's expensive. It's not a 10 days whitening cream or a now sharp whitening cream, okay? It will blend your skin over and over time. It will bring out your glow, your natural glow, okay, over the time. So I will kind of advise us to go try this and come back and drop your feedback. If you have used this, let me know how it worked on your skin. And if you want to try it, please go ahead and get it, okay? It's a short video. I don't even want it to be long, okay? I wish you all a glowing and a beautiful day. Bye bye.